So guys, this is the first one. It's called user testing. User testing is actually really good. It's really reliable. You can make a few extra dollars. This company is one of the most recommended ones. I actually got proof that they actually paid me $10 completing the test. Um, yeah, user testing is actually really recommended by the other people. Ask. So you can see that lots of people are actually trusting user testing. I actually recommend it. This is one of my favorite ones. So if you're ever planning to go make a few extra dollars by doing user research, I recommend user testing. Well, thank you. Up to number 2. Hello there, guys. This is Userfeel, the second one, and this is actually really good. You could see that they actually claim themselves as offer better advantages than user zoom and user testing. Well, I actually tested out Userfeel, and it's actually really good. I gotta say, it takes about 1 month or 2 months to get into user testing because it takes about 2 months to get accepted by the qualification test. It takes like 2 months to get accepted into. So yeah, after getting accepted, you're gonna get test notifications for new tests in your email account, which you have registered into. I personally recommend user testing after user feel after user testing. Um, yeah, please do read the FAQ and all those stuff. Yeah, on to the next one. And Userfeel is very easy, very reliable, offers you free extra dollars. Like you can test in lots of languages, like um, I could say Hindi, French, Spanish, Swedish, German, Russian, English, Irish, Welsh, all those stuff. Okay, so yeah, that's all for Userfeel. On to the next one. Hey guys, this is me again. We are on to the third one. It's called Toluna Influencers. Go to toluna.com to get signed up. So these people have a lot of ways you can get paid depending on your country. So the most common in every country is Amazon and PayPal probably. And the rest of it you'll get like mall gift cards and stuff like that. There's actually proof that they actually paid me stuff. I did like lots of surveys and stuff. Like you see this? These are one of the two surveys which are currently available for me to do. And you can also play games. You can also play like Taluna made games and stuff. See, there's a game called Taluna Wheel. We can like play it every day to just like get lucky to win prizes. So let's get started. We got. Hope it lands on 1,000. Please say it lands on 1,000. Oh man, it's fine. Better luck next time. At least I got 40 points. So currently I have 8,000. Before I used to have like 27k. But like I spent it on a gift card. So like yeah, I actually got it. I'll show you the email later. So I'll be linking to Luna onto the description. Just check the link if you have any confusion. Thank you. We're on to the next one. Yeah, you're on to the next one. Hey guys, it's me again, and we are on to the next one, the third one. It's called User Crowd. User Crowd is another platform. It's the fourth one we are going to be looking into. Go to usercrowd.com if you want to sign up. User Crowd is actually really easy to deal with. It gives you 3 questions per 3 questions per test, like how to improve a website, is there anything wrong with it. You'll get like 20 cents per, yeah, per test. So until you after you get like $10, you can get PayPal payouts. So it's very easy. Just sign up using just sign up like that. Well, thank you. I actually have like proof and stuff. I'll show you user testing right now. User feed, user crowd dashboard, usercrowd.com. I have like 3 tests completed. See, so yeah, it depends, and yeah, you get. I currently have like $2 at balance. So yeah, that's all I have currently. I'm waiting for more tests. Yeah, that's all for user testing. Thank you, and we're gonna be moving on to the next one. It's very easy. I'll be linking user crowd into the description. Thank you. Hey guys, it's me again. We are going to the next one, the 5th one. It's called YouGov. It's actually one of my favorite ones. The 5th one, I guess. Okay, so this is actually really good. You can like, these surveys are actually legit. Toluna and YouGov are one of the most, you know, the most reliable, trusted survey. Get paid to test surveys, attend surveys. Yeah, most reliable actually. The other ones are like just completely bullshit scammers. So try YouGov. Actually, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna be right there. I currently have like 700 points in YouGov. It's actually really cool. Like when you get to 5,000, you get a $50 gift card, PayPal gift card. That's like so much. So yeah, that's like count history. Let me check it out. So see, these are all the surveys I attended and see all the points I got. This is really easy. Just sign up with YouGov. Please, please be specific about your fluency, language, and stuff. Just don't lie about it. It's very hard to change it after that. Thank you, and we'll be moving on to the next one. Go to yougov.com, and yes, you could sign up like that. That's it. We're gonna be moving on to the next one. Thank you. Today's sponsor of the video, Honeygain. Honeygain is a network bandwidth sharing platform. If you share this, you're gonna get money rewarded. Look, I'll show you. First, sign up. You'll get like estimate your earnings. Like if you have like 20 GB a day, imagine, okay? You'll get like $181 a month. You can estimate your earnings by using this website, honeygain.com. Go to honeygain.com, and also there is actual proof. It's awesome, literally. Look how much money I got. You can also get like crypto, which is called GMPT, Jump Token. I've got like 84 Honeygain tokens. This will be transferred onto your Jump Task wallet, or you can just stay back in the classic Honeygain wallet. But I recommend Jump Task if y'all want to earn something. So this is just perfect. This is one of my most favorite recommended network sharing get paid platforms. It depends on your location as well. So thank you for everything. Sign up using the link in the description. Thank you for everything. We'll be continuing on to the next one. Hey guys, we are almost done with the video. This is pawns.app. It's same like Honeygain. Use this. This is like a way better version of Honeygain. Honeygain, I'm gonna be honest with you. It doesn't give you that much compared to pawns.app. Pawns.app, it's awesome, literally. Okay, there's even proof. Okay, so like currently I don't have it. So you can use this website to estimate your earnings. Like, for example, two people, that means two IPs. It'll and you're gonna run it like 4 hours a day. It'll give you $3 a month. If you're gonna have four people in your house, $6. 10 people in your house, $16. If you're gonna run it for more than 16 hours, you're gonna get $64. I recommend Pawns.app. Go download it now. Sign up. Thank you. We're gonna be moving on to the last one for this video. Cheers. Hey guys, we are almost done with the video. This is Pawns.app. It's same like Honeygain. Use this. This is like a way better version of Honeygain. Honeygain, I'm gonna be honest with you. It doesn't give you that much compared to Pawns.app. Pawns.app, it's awesome, literally. Okay, there's even proof. Okay, so like currently I don't have it. So you can use this website to estimate your earnings. Like, for example, two people, that means two IPs. It'll and you're gonna run it like 4 hours a day. It'll give you $3 a month. If you're gonna have four people in your house, $6. 10 people in your house, $16. If you're gonna run it for more than 16 hours, you're gonna get $64. I recommend Pawns.app. Go download it now. Sign up. Thank you. We're gonna be moving on to the last one for this video. Cheers. Hey guys, we're on the last one, DS Scout. Awesome, literally. DS Scout is so good. It'll give you like $25 opportunities, study research, like for example, electric bike research and stuff. Please do register for it. It is one of the most recommended ones. Okay, register for it. It's available in more than in 196 countries. I don't know about North Korea. Don't kill me, North Korea. I'm sorry. So it's partnered with all these companies, and please do sign up for DS Scout. It is one of the most recommended study research platforms. So these are my most recommended ones. Usertesting. Okay, so thank you, and that will be the end of the video. I'll be concluding with a small session. So yes, hey guys, I just wanted to, give you a final conclusion on what are my most recommended ones. First, Usertesting, most recommended. Then Userfeel. Then Toluna Influencers. Then YouGov, Pawns.app, and Dscout. These are my most recommended ones. Please do use my link for Honeygain. Sign up. Thank you. I'll be seeing you in the next video. If you do like this video, please take a moment, help your YouTuber here. Please give me a like and a subscribe. I'll do anything. I'll do anything to get subscribers. Thank you. That's all for today. I'll be seeing you in the next video.